Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup, and then after that I'll be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, so the first thing you have to do here is to click on this F icon here. After clicking on the icon, you search for your fractals, right, which is the first indicator we have here. Click on this main window plus icon, search for the fractals. All right, so these are the default setting for the fractal, or you can change the color to blue as you can see here. After that, you click on done. The next indicator we have here is relative strength index, right? You click on the main window plus icon here, you search for your relative strength index, this one here. You search for it. Now you make the period 9, apply to its close. The level, you make it 85 and 15, right? 85 and 15. The color is red, 4 pixel, and you click on done. Now the time frame is all time frame. The style, you make it color green, 3 pixel, and you click on done. The next indicator we have here is the MACD. Alright, for you to add the MACD, you click on the indicator window 1 plus icon. After clicking on that, you search for your MACD, right? So these are the properties for the MACD. The period, the fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 5, apply to its close. Leave the level as it is, time frame is all time frame. Now under the style, you make the main color white, the color of your background. The signal is color red, 3 pixel, and you click on done. So once you have set the indicator correctly as I've just explained, you are going to have a screen like this. All right, now before I explain how the strategy works, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. All right, it's a VIP strategy that a beginner can use to grow their small account. Okay, so if you're having a $5 account and you want to grow it, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. All right, so that's that about that. All right, back to this strategy right here. Okay, now how does the strategy work? All right, I'm going to lay out some few points. Now the first condition is that you want to wait for a spike in the market. All right, so whenever there's a spike, you check your indicator window here. Right, now you see this green line here, it must be at the 85 level. Also this red line here must be at the 85 level. All right, now that's the first condition. All right, secondly, you are going to see a fractal appear at the top of that candlestick, at the top of the spike that occur. So when the fractal appear, you start watching out for your indicator. All right, now here on the indicator window, you are going to see that the green line here will cross below the red one. All right, so immediately you see this crossing, you go in for your 5 candles. All right, you go in for your 5 candles. It's as simple as that. That's how simple the strategy is. All right, now I don't want the video to be too long. All right, so I'm going to be showing you one last thing you need to apply before even taking an entry on the 1 minute time frame. All right, which is your analysis. You go to the 30-minute time frame. Now here on the 30-minute time frame, you want to know the direction of the market. All right, you want to see if the market is in an uptrend or a downtrend before you can take any entry. All right, now what you want to do in the 15-minute or the 30-minute time frame is that you want to do your analysis, right, by putting in some trend line to know the direction of the market. Right, so as you can see from this area here, we are in a downtrend. All right, now this strategy will work perfectly on the 1 minute time frame. All right, so here after analyzing like this, you go down to your 1 minute time frame. All right, now as you can see, price is currently spiking up, but our condition is not yet met. The green line is not at the overbought level and the red one is still yet to be there. All right, so you are going to observe until you see them at the 85 level. All right, once you see them at the 85 level, then you can apply your strategy just like this area here. Right, you need to make sure it's at the 85 level like this. The red is also there. Then you wait for the crossing to happen, you take your sell. All right, so this is boom 1000, and the strategy also works on crash 1000. Okay, these are the two markets you should apply the strategy. Okay, so what I want you guys to do now is to back test the strategy, make sure it's working for you. All right, so make sure you back test and demonstrate the strategy for like a week or two and see that it's working for you before you can go in live with your hard-earned money. Okay, so that is it, guys. For those of you who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, the link is in the description of this video. Check it out and make sure to join us. All right, so that's it, guys. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Silver out.